From the following information, calculate value of a goodwill for a Reliance Limited by super profit method, capitalization method. Okay. So what you have to calculate? You have to calculate the goodwill of Reliance Limited. And this will be calculated through two methods, super profit method and the capitalization method. Now for this, what is the information which has been given? The first average capital employed is given, that is 6 lakh. कहाँ पर काम आएगा? To find out the normal profit, because we know normal profit is equal to the capital employed into NRR. So to find the normal profit, we can this capital employed ka information will be required. Next is net trading profit for the of the firm for the past 3 years is 1,07,600, 90,700 and 1,12,500. Okay, they have given us the 3 years ka profit. So this will help us, this information will help us to find out the simple average profit. ठीक है, हम ये 3 years का प्रॉफिट लेंगे, डिवाइडेड बाय 3 करेंगे, तो विद दिस वी विल बी एबल टू गेट अ सिंपल एवरेज प्रॉफिट. Rate of the interest expected from the capital having regards to the risk involved is 12%. कितना परसेंट का NRR है? How much the risk is of interest is expected? So 12% का. So NRR in this sum is of a 12%. Fair remuneration to the firm for their services is ₹12,000 per annum. आप क्या दे रहे हो? फेयर रेम्यूनरेशन दे रहे हो. किसको दे रहे हो? आप फर्म को दे रहे हो उनकी सर्विस के लिए. कितना? 12,000 पर एनम. तो पूरे साल का 12,000 है. So for calculating the future maintainable profit, what you will be subtracting? You will be subtracting this, क्योंकि आप अगर जब गुडविल, अगर फर्म किसी को फेयर रेम्यूनरेशन दे रहा है, ठीक है, रिलायंस कंपनी अगर किसी फर्म को रेम्यूनरेशन दे रही है, तो आप क्यों उसका, व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग द बिजनेस, व्हाई यू विल बी पेइंग दैट फेयर रेम्यूनरेशन? आप नहीं पे करोगे. तो फ्यूचर मेंटेनेबल प्रॉफिट्स में से आप ये फेयर रेम्यूनरेशन व्हिच इज विल बी गिवन टू द पार्टनर, दैट यू विल हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट इट अप. तो अगर आप सिंपल प्रॉफिट में से ये सबट्रैक्ट करोगे तो यू विल बी गेटिंग अ टोटल ऑफ द फ्यूचर मेंटेनेबल प्रॉफिट्स. सन्ड्री एसेट्स ऑफ द फर्म इज 7,54,762 रुपीज. ठीक है, ये देखेंगे कि ये इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें कहाँ पर हेल्प कर रहा है या नहीं. इफ इट इज गेटिंग हेल्प देन इट्स फाइन, वरना फिर ये सिर्फ एक एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन की तरह हम लोग यूटिलाइज करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, sundry liabilities are 31,329. okay, so this assets भी दिए हैं और liabilities भी दिए. इससे हमें capital employed अगर find out करना है, see this capital employed is already given, but अगर इससे हमें capital employed find करना है तो let's see कि अगर हम कर सकते हैं या नहीं. so this is the right now for us, this is an just extra information which has been given. कहाँ पर अगर utilize हुआ तो we will take it up. No, take 8 years purchase of the super profit as a value of a goodwill. जब आप super profit करोगे तो आपको कितना years का average लेना? You have to take down the average of 8 years. कि आप अगर अभी goodwill खरीद रहे हो तो आपका इसका benefit कितने years तक मिलेगा? 8 years के लिए मिलेगा. Okay, so let's first find it out the average profit. So calculation of the profits, सबसे पहले उसमें find out करते हैं average profit. Like 7,600 plus 90,000 plus 1,12,500 divided by 3. Take a total and see. Numerator का total लो divided by 3. So simple average profit will be of rupees 1,03,600. We can easily find out now the future maintainable profits, क्योंकि average simple average profits में से if I subtract this fair remuneration which has been given to the firm, or you can say to the partner for their services, so we will be getting a future maintainable profits. So 1,03,600 minus how much you are paying per annum? 12,000 per annum. The पूरे साल का is 12,000. So the future maintainable profit will be 91,600. Do we have a capital employed which is given? Yes, we have a capital employed of 6 lakh rupees which is given. NRR, we have an NRR of 12%. Now for finding out the super profit, हमने FM ही तो find out कर लिया, but we need to find out the normal profit as well. So normal profit is what? Capital employed into NRR. इसके लिए I have just written down this information that we have a capital employed as well as the NRR which has been given. So this will be equals to 6 lakh into 12%. $72,000. तो अब इजीली सुपर प्रॉफिट फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं बिकॉज सबसे पहले उन्होंने हमें सुपर प्रॉफिट ही फाइंड आउट करने बोला है. सो जस्ट गिव यू द नंबर 1. Super profit is equal to FMP. FMP we have already calculated in the step number 2. 91,600 minus normal profit is 72,000. This will be equal to, oh sorry, 19,600. Now we have to calculate the goodwill by the purchase of super profit method because 8 years of the purchase बोला है तो goodwill will be equal to what is the super profit given हमने find out किया है in the step number 1 19,600 into 8 years, so into 8, so this will be equal to rupees 56,800. So we have calculated the very first point, that is super profit method. Now we have to go for the capitalization method. This is second. So second one, capitalization method. What is the formula? Goodwill is equals to 100 divided by NRR into super profit. Divided by 12 multiplied by super profit 19,600. So this will be equals to 1,63,333. इतने तक सब लोग फटाफट लिख लो. Done? Everyone, just acknowledge. Chalo.